Welcome back to Swapna's Math Book. Hope you all are fine. In previous class, we discussed about some special parallelograms, square, rectangle, etc. we discussed. Today we can start a new chapter, Chapter 4, Practical Geometry, Part 1. Today we can study how to construct a quadrilateral. You have learned how to draw triangles in class 7. We require only 3 measurements to draw a unique triangle. But to construct a quadrilateral, we need to know 5 measurements. We shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurements. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Second one, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Third one, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Fourth one, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Fifth one, when other special properties are known. Now we can check how to draw a quadrilateral when the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal are given. We can do few questions from the textbook. Exercise 4.1, first question. We can do now. Construct quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 cm, BC is equal to 5.5 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, AD is equal to 6 cm, AC is equal to 7 cm. Length of 4 sides and a diagonal are given. Now we can see how to construct quadrilateral ABCD. First you have to draw the rough sketch. Quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. And AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. CD is equal to 4 centimeter. AD is equal to 6 centimeter. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. That is 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Now we can construct quadrilateral ABCD. So AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So first you have to draw AB 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. So draw AB 4.5 centimeter and mark A, B 4.5 centimeter. Now first you have to construct triangle ABC using SSS construction condition, that is side condition. So AB is given 4.5 centimeter, BC we know, 1 diagonal, AC also we know. So with A as center, we have to find the point C. So with A as center, draw an arc with radius. Radius means length. Draw an arc with radius 7 centimeter. A as center. Draw an arc with 7 centimeter radius. Then BC is for 5.5 centimeter. So 5.5, B as center with radius 5.5 you have to draw. Now join, this is the point C. Now you can join B and C and A and C also. This is the triangle ABC. Now you have to find the point D. For that AD is 6 centimeter and CD is 4 centimeter. So with center A, with the point A, take 6 centimeter as radius. Take 6 centimeter. That is D is 6 centimeter away from A. So with center A, draw an arc with 6 centimeter length. Then D is 4 centimeter away from C. So with center O, draw an arc with 4 centimeter radius. So this is the point D. Now you can join A and D, C and D also. CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, AC is 7 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter. This is the required quadrilateral ABCD. Hope you all understood. Second question. Construct rhombus BEST. BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BS is equal to 6 centimeter. Rhombus 4 sides are equal in length and one diagonal also given. Now we can see how to construct a rhombus. First we have to draw the rough sketch. Rhombus BEST. All sides are equal. BEST. And BS is equal to 6 centimeter. And one side also given 4.5 centimeter. If one side is 4.5, then other sides also 4.5 centimeter. So ES is equal to 4.5, ST 4.5 and BT also 4.5. Now we can draw rhombus BEST. So diagonals also perpendicular to one another. First we can draw diagonal BS 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter length. Draw BS. Mark B and S. Then with center B, we can draw an arc 4.5 centimeter radius. That is T is 4.5 centimeter away from B. So take 4.5 centimeter in scale. With center B, draw an arc up and down also. Again 4.5 centimeter away from T. T is 4.5 centimeter away from S. So again 4.5 centimeter you can take. Then with center O, cut the previous arc. Then down also. This is a perpendicular bisector. Then you can join. This is the point T and this is the point E. Now you can join B and T, S and T, B and D, S and D also. So here 4.5 centimeter, here also 4.5 centimeter, here 4.5 and here also 4.5. So this is the required rhombus BEST. Hope you all understood.